Hey everyone, Jonathan Rose, active day trader, and today I'm going to make a video on price action trading. And here's the question. Does price action trading really work? Can you really just look at a chart, see it move up and down, and then predict where it's going to go next? So let me ask you, and leave an answer in the comments, do you believe in price action? Do you think that's a viable way to trade? Does price action work? Let me hear your thoughts in the comments. I'm curious as to what everybody thinks. And right now, I'm going to share my thoughts. So let's go to the chart. All right, guys, does price action work? Absolutely not. It is a bunch of BS. It is impossible to just look at the movement of a chart and then have a scalable, profitable trading strategy. Now, yeah, you can make a little bit of money here and there, but there's a reason why you're not going to find any hedge fund that's a price action hedge fund. It's not scalable. It's not real. It's not something professional traders ever use. Now, 1920s, 1930s, price action was a very viable strategy. I was on the floor of the Chicago Mercantile Exchange from 1997 to 2003. We used price action then. If the S&Ps were trading at 28.98 and a broker, a big broker in the pit, had 1,000 contracts to sell at 2,900. Floor traders would know about that order, so the price wouldn't get up there. It would be an easy place to sell, and you could have a stop because you knew that broker had a massive amount of orders at 2,900. That's price action. That's really using the color, the information about order flow. But can you just sit there as a retail trader trading on Thinkorswim and use the subjective analysis of the market looks strong, I want to buy it because it's going to go higher? That might work a little bit, but I don't know how you could ever invest real money in that strategy. I think what gurus do is they look at a chart and they have an answer for everything. Hey guys, it gapped down. It tried to cover the gap. It couldn't, so it failed. Here it tried to cover the gap again. It couldn't, so it failed. I think that's what these gurus are all doing. Hey, came down here and traded double bottom support. Buy it. A little stop underneath. Great. That's why it rallied. It got into a range right here. If it breaks here, price action is telling us it's going to go down. But can you really believe that? We need more information to make trades. Price action, if it worked, it would be great, right? It's the simplest thing to do. Hey, you guys don't have to learn a thing. Let's just use price action. Let's just look at what the market is doing and able to forecast what it's going to do going forward. The thing with price action, guys, it's subjective. If you have 10 people all using the same analysis, it's subjective. You're going to get 10 different results, 10 different ideas. The best trader or the person with the most money or the most experience might tell you they got great feel. I think feel in markets and trading is a bunch of BS as well. We want to make trading, we want to make risk as objective as possible. That's why it's so important for my guys to learn about options and true options valuation. If you want to follow volume, don't follow volume in stocks, follow volume in options. Options are 100% transparent. Futures, those that follow volume in futures, most of the information, most of the order flow in futures is used to hedge. Someone could sell 1 million oil contracts. That doesn't mean they're bearish oil. Maybe it's an airline hedging their inventory. Maybe it's a spread. Be really careful following price action. So my answer, my opinion from my experience, I'll tell you, does price action work? 1,000% no freaking way. There's not one hedge fund that raises money and says, we're a price action hedge fund, give us $100 million, we're going to make money with that. The reason they don't exist is because it's impossible. My opinion. Leave a comment, guys. I'd love to hear your opinion. For those who this video offended, I'm sorry. I care more about who it protects. Jonathan Rose, active day trader.